Hey folks, welcome back to the farm. We're down here in the high tunnel today, and it's really windy, and we had tornado warnings this morning, but we didn't have really any damage. I got a little thing I'm gonna show you real quick. First, we're gonna get this cleaned up. We're gonna take down all these old tomato supports. This is gonna be our pepper house this year, but what I'm wanting to do now is kind of get a section cleaned off today so we can plant some cucumbers and some squash. I'm gonna go ahead and get them started. I got like a 40-day cucumber and a 42-day squash, so I'm gonna go ahead and get them planted. So we're gonna take this down, we're gonna clean this mess up, and till it down through here, and mend the soil a little bit, and plant some seeds, and hopefully we'll get all that done today. Over here, my sheep, I'll tell you how windy it is. If you see the bluebird house way up there on the fence, that's where they were this morning, really about 1 o'clock, because I come down here about 1 o'clock and went back in to eat lunch, come back, and they've already blowed all the way down here. Is how hard that wind's blowing. So it's really windy. I wanted to paint, but we can't paint today, so we're gonna come down here and do this. I need to do this anyway, and so we're gonna get our gloves on and everything and get these down, and we'll come back and show you all our steps and stuff. All right, we got her done. It took about 1 hour and 15 minutes, and took a little longer than we thought, but it always does, but it looks a lot better. You can see we got all that. Well, there's still some weeds that, some old vines, we'll get them down when we get a ladder down there. But we're gonna go, gotta go do my chores, and I think I'm gonna eat supper. I think we're having ham sliders for supper tonight, so that sounds pretty good. When I come back after supper, hopefully this wind dies down. I thought this thing was going to lift off a time or two. But I'll take my weed whacker and we'll go down through there and get rid of that grass and on the outside, and then we'll till it and put some of this black stuff down and get planting. Maybe we'll get all that done today. If not, we'll finish up tomorrow. So we'll go do my chores and eat supper, and I'll see you back down here in a few minutes. Hey folks, okay, we're back down here and it's the next day, and we went ahead and tilled it. Our camera died last night, so we didn't get all of it. We tilled this, and I got the fabric over it, and I'm going to show you what we did. The side to the outside, we put mulch down because, well, twofold, try to keep the weeds from coming over. And I think we're going to do a better job of not letting wind get underneath the fabric. And we pinned this side, the greenhouse side, or the hoop house side. So we'll show you a little film of that right there. We just took some wood chips and spread over there. And this is fabric is probably, this is some of our original fabric, so we've just been reusing it. That's why the holes are already there. So, but you can see we put the mulch on the edge. And then we put the landscaping pins on this side. And then we'll put another piece. When we finish cleaning this out, we'll put another, when we come back, we'll till it all, and we'll put another piece here, overlap it, pin it, and go on like that. So we're gonna get started. And the whole reason I wanna do this, I wanna get some early cucumbers and squash going. So the first one I'm gonna plant is, it's called Green Light. And I planted this in the high tunnel last year, and it did fantastic. So it's also my mama's favorite cucumber. So, well, it's a little test to see if she's watching. Because I don't even think she watches, to be honest with you. So this is your favorite cucumber. So we're gonna plant a few hills of this, and then we're gonna do some squash. And this is a 40-day cucumber. So that means it's gonna, I think once it comes up, we'll start looking at 40 days to harvest. All right. Just got a few seeds here. I'm probably putting about 2 seeds per. If this is out in the field, I'd probably go 3 seeds, but you be a little, seems like we get a little better germination here. And this soil in here tilled up. Well, you seen it yesterday, I think, and it tilled up really nice. Of course, this is my old stand plant. It's really made to plant, you know, like plants, you know, seedlings. And so I use it for this. I've used it, I don't know how many times I've used it, but I don't know how long I've had this. Probably, I know 5 or 6 years. So I really like this thing. It's the best thing I ever bought. All right, now we're gonna do some squash. And that green light is just a regular slicing cucumber. It's kind of like an English cucumber, except not as big. And this is just a straight squash. This is some of our regular stuff. This is a 39-day squash. You know, I'm not gonna plant a whole lot of these. I'm gonna save the rest for the field. So. Kind of cool this morning, but man, it is hot in here. So I guess this is the first seeds of 2023 officially. So we're officially starting our garden here. I think I got one somewhere. Yeah, I got that one. I'll see it. The last thing's a pickling cucumber. It's called Pick a Bushel. It's a new variety for me. I'm just going to do a few hills of this, kind of see where it goes. And of course, this is going to be our pepper house, so I need to don't get too carried away. I'll put the whole garden in here. My peppers are going to order some more peppers like I did last year. Some organic bales. They'll be here. They're shipping like the week of the 15th. So we'll have to get the rest of this ready for that. Yeah, I've had a regular pickling cucumber is called a Demont, and that's been my favorite. And I've got 2 others grown in the past that Haven't been performing very well for me the last couple of years, so it's kind of like a little test here. I've got some more I'm gonna put out in the field. I ordered one that's back ordered. It ain't here yet. I can't remember the name of it. And I got, let's see, I think I got 3 more varieties that I'm gonna try. See which ones do good. Now I used to like the Arkansas Little Leaf, and I had about 2 good years in a row of it. And last year it didn't do nothing. The year before that it didn't do nothing. So I'm gonna put 2 of them right here and we'll stop it. It's a good point to stop, because like I said, I'll get carried away. We need to remember this is for the peppers. Hope you liked the video. I'm at 490 subscribers as of this morning. So when we hit 500, we'll do a giveaway. So I'm anticipating maybe Friday we'll do the announcement. I shouldn't have said that. I probably just jinxed myself. But anyway, as soon as I hit 500, we'll do an announcement of the giveaway. Hope you liked the video. Give us a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. First seeds, we got some cucumbers and squash going 40 days. Of course, our tomatoes are 50 days, so hopefully about June 1st we'll have some stuff. And we're pretty excited. Always are this time of year. Hit that subscribe button right over here. Just follow my finger, boom, hit it. Give us a thumbs up, support your local farmer. We'll see you down in the farm next video.